Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to prevent Windows from logging individuals on with temporary profiles. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up the Start menu, type in Group Policy. Best match should come back with Edit Group Policy. Go ahead and open that up. Underneath computer configuration, double click on administrative templates and then do the same for system. Locate user profiles. So again, user profiles, and just left click on that. On the right panel, look for something that says do not log users on with temporary profiles and double click on it. Set this to enable and then select apply and OK. Once you're done with this, go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.